Hi, welcome back to International Trade Decoded, and today we are going to decode an excellent initiative that has been done by DGFT. Well, that is Trade Connect portal. जैसा कि हम लोग सब जानते हैं कि there are a lot of activities which are happening, lot of FTAs that are being signed. There are a lot of incentive schemes that are being introduced. So everybody is concerned that can we get one single platform जहाँ पे हमें ये पता चले कि कौन सी कंट्री के साथ MFN है, कौन सी नई स्कीम्स आई है, एक FTA अगर किया हुआ है तो उसमें क्या क्या सर्टिफिकेशंस चाहिए, क्या क्या बेनिफिट्स हैं. In order to avail or in order to have a look at all of this, DGFT has come up with Trade Connect portal. So we will just take you through a walkthrough of that portal just as a basic guidelines. So let's start. As you go and connect to the portal, which is tradegovernment.in, there is a first section where you need to go and register yourself. You can also register yourself with your DGFT credentials. You do not need to create a new registration on this portal. You can use your DGFT credentials. As you go down, you will see the section which says Explore Trade Connect. And in this, under this series, there are so many avenues which are available, which is Buyer Connect, Bharat Ayat Niryat Lab Setu. This will give you the details about lab test, sample testing, lab report, inspection agencies, कहाँ पे करना है, क्या चाहिए, FAQs. So it will give you a one-shot overview of what all is required. Second, trade events worldwide. That means कौन से events हो रहे हैं which you might want to go ahead and showcase your product. Global trade analytics, which will be giving you the details about which main products are exported by India, where also it gives you country guide, also a product guide, whereby suppose if you have inputted an HSN code of your product, say about let's type cotton goods or cotton, just we type cotton. In that case, there will be all the HSNs that are there which has cotton in it. You click on any of the HSN and it will give you the export summary, export certification, buyer informations, opportunities, import summary. It will also give you countries with preferential access for Indian exporters of similar products. So it is a complete Bible or a guide about a product. It also has a section which says country guide, which talks about the countries in which you are wanting to export. Suppose if we type Australia over here, it will tell me that in Australia, which are the products that I want to sell or which is in demand over there. It will give me the compliance requirement, buyer informations, opportunities and risks, trade statistics, etc. So this is a wonderful platform. Just go and access it, and I can assure you that major of your questions and queries will be resolved on this platform. Thank you very much for watching.